Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best standing desks that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Hogi standing desk. This desk offers versatility with its adjustable height range of 27 to 43.5 inches, allowing you to switch seamlessly between sitting and standing. Its compact 31.5 by 16-inch tabletop is ideal for small spaces, making it perfect for home offices or secondary workstations. Plus, the lockable wheels make it easy to move around while keeping it stable when needed. The design is modern, with a sturdy alloy steel frame that can support up to 180 pounds, exceptional for a desk in this price range. The build quality is solid, and users have praised its stability, even under heavy use. The ergonomic benefits of this desk are clear, as it helps improve posture and reduce fatigue during long workdays. Assembly is straightforward, and the desk includes a 90-day, risk-free, money-back guarantee. However, its smaller size may not be ideal for users with multiple monitors or larger setups. It lacks advanced features like motorized height adjustment, which could be a deal-breaker for some. Overall, this desk is a great budget-friendly choice for those seeking a simple, portable standing desk solution. At number 4, we have the AMSLER Small Standing Desk, a true budget champion priced at just $55.99. This desk offers an adjustable height range of 31 to 43 inches, making it suitable for both sitting and standing. Its 32-inch tabletop provides ample workspace, which is slightly larger than our previous pick. The desk features lockable wheels for mobility and stability, along with a double anti-moving design for added durability. It can support up to 200 pounds, which is impressive given its price point. The design leans rustic, with a light wood finish that blends well in both modern and traditional spaces. It's lightweight and easy to assemble, taking only 5 to 10 minutes to set up. The desk is ideal for casual use, such as writing, gaming, or even dining. It's perfect for users who want a basic yet functional standing desk without breaking the bank. On the downside, the desk doesn't include advanced ergonomic features or motorized adjustments. Additionally, the build quality, while decent, may not stand up to long-term heavy use. But for its price, the AMSLER desk offers excellent value and is an ideal choice for minimalists or those on a tight budget. At number 3, we have the Hogi 55x28 large electric standing desk, which brings a tech-savvy twist to the standing desk market. This desk features an electric height adjustment system with a range of 28.3 to 46.5 inches, allowing you to customize your setup for maximum comfort. The LED keypad offers 3 customizable height presets, making transitions between sitting and standing effortless. Its spacious 55 x 27.6-inch desktop is deep and wide, providing ample room for monitors, laptops, and other office essentials. Built with an industrial-grade steel frame, this desk supports up to 220 pounds, ensuring long-term durability and stability. It also includes thoughtful features like cable management, anti-collision technology, and adjustable feet for added safety and convenience. The Whisper Quiet motor ensures smooth adjustments without disturbing your workspace. Assembly is user-friendly, with all tools included. On the downside, the desk lacks additional storage options like drawers, and its design might feel a bit simplistic compared to higher-end models. However, for $149.99, this desk delivers excellent functionality and is ideal for professionals or gamers looking for a reliable electric standing desk. Coming in at number 2 is the Agystic 59-inch LShaped standing desk, a premium option that blends style, functionality, and space efficiency. This desk features an electric height adjustment system with a range of 28 to 47 inches, offering 3 preset memory buttons for seamless transitions. Its L-shaped design and 59 by 47.2-inch workspace make it perfect for quarter setups, accommodating multiple monitors, laptops, and office accessories. The built-in drawer and smart control panel add convenience and organization to your workspace. The desk is constructed from polished rustic brown wood and durable steel, ensuring stability for up to 175 pounds. Its ergonomic design is a standout feature, with an adjustable shelf that raises your screen to reduce neck and shoulder strain. Assembly is straightforward, and the desk comes with a 3-year warranty, showcasing Agystic's confidence in its product's quality. While this desk is an excellent choice for larger setups, its price point of $259.99 might be a bit steep for budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, its size may not be suitable for smaller spaces. Overall, this desk is ideal for professionals, gamers, or anyone looking to upgrade their workspace with a stylish and functional solution. Finally, at number 1, we have the Agystic LShape Standing Desk Adjustable Height, the ultimate premium choice for standing desks. This desk features a cutting-edge electric height adjustment system with a range of 27.8 to 45.9 inches and 6 buttons, including 3 preset memory options. Its massive 63 by 55-inch L-shaped workspace is perfect for multitaskers, accommodating up to 3 desktop PCs, a laptop, and various office accessories. The desk is built with a sturdy steel frame and FSC-certified wood, ensuring durability and sustainability. It supports up to 176 pounds and includes advanced features like anti-collision technology and cable management to keep your workspace safe and organized. Its ergonomic design helps reduce neck and back strain, making it a perfect fit for long hours of work or gaming. The intelligent motor operates quietly, and assembly is simplified with clear instructions. At $279.99, this is an investment in quality and productivity. While it may not be the best option for those on a budget or with limited space, it's an excellent choice for professionals seeking the best in functionality and style. With its premium build and smart design, this desk truly earns its spot at the top of our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.